Good day, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll talk about one of the most beautiful Filipino values, Bayanihan, the spirit of helping one another and working together as a community. This value has been passed down through generations, reminding us that we are always stronger when we stand together. If you love learning about Filipino culture and values, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Men and women, young and old, all working together to lift and move a house. No money involved, no reward expected, just pure cooperation, kindness, and care for one another. That's the true spirit of Bayanihan. But Bayanihan didn't end there. Today, we still see it everywhere, in modern forms that reflect the same heart and unity. When volunteers come together to rescue families during floods or typhoons, when neighbors share food with others who have none, when students help their classmates with lessons, when communities clean up their surroundings together, or even online, when people raise donations for those in need. All these acts, big or small, are examples of Bayanihan in action. It proves that being Filipino means more than just living in the same place. It means caring for one another like one big family. In times of crisis, disasters, or even everyday challenges, Bayanihan reminds us that we don't need to face life alone. As the Filipino saying goes, walang iwanan. No one gets left behind. We help each other rise, rebuild, and move forward together. That's the heart of being Filipino, full of compassion, kindness, and hope no matter what we go through. And that, my friends, is the true meaning of Bayanihan, the Filipino value that turns ordinary people into everyday heroes. It teaches us that when we give our time, effort, and love, we create a stronger, kinder, and more united community. So the next time you see someone in need, lend a hand, share what you can, or simply show kindness. Because every small act of goodness makes a big difference. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it so more people can be inspired to live with the spirit of Bayanihan.